this guy will never tell you this, but he's really he's a Renaissance man. And
How so?
well, because the club came to him because obviously he was an outstanding golf course superintendent, and you can tell by his personalities he doesn't have any gray matter. He's really, really decisive. So, you know, and they saw what happened in the golf course, and they thought, well, why can't we have that in the clubhouse? So let's ask him if he wants to wear 2 hats. I mean, they kind of asked him, but I don't think they expected no as an answer.
Yeah, it was kind of like you're going to take it, but I'm glad they did. I would highly suggest to anyone in our profession, if you have that opportunity, you should take it. It's great. I have a co-general manager, Chris Wilkinson. Both Chris and I were at the Country Club in Brookline, Massachusetts, so we both knew each other, you know, a little bit from there, but we both had similar backgrounds, and we work really hand in glove. So he does all more of the food and beverage, administrative, human resources. I'm more physical properties, so on and so forth. So since I've taken that job in 2010, we've renovated the clubhouse for $7.5 million back in 2013, built a new pool house in 2010, reclad a couple other buildings, and then just last year we did the pavilions to get more outdoor seating and get what site we have here at Llanerch.
So here's the deal. So with him wearing both hats, he sees the whole picture. You know what I mean? So he understands the entire dynamics. Now, what he isn't telling you is when he got here 22 years ago, this club wasn't particularly healthy. They had a limited membership, they had very little money, probably none in the bank. And you know, if they did anything, they had to rely on the value of their asset. Now, we're not going to divulge how healthy they are now, but it's safe to say that they are flush. So with that being said, he would never tell you this, but I'll tell you this and look it in the eye. There's one reason that happened. That's because of your
I appreciate
vision.
you saying that.
And then follow through, and then producing. Now they have a waiting list, mind you, and I got to believe their waiting list was about the total number of the original membership when he got here. So I mean, it is like a feel-good story with a whole lot of sweat equity.
Yeah, absolutely.